In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add an admin on Facebook page. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Facebook app, then head over to menu, then tap at that icon and select a page to switch to that page, obviously. And then once you are on the page, get into menu, then professional dashboard, then page access. You will be taken to this page where you can easily add an admin to this page. Just hit add new, then next, and then search by name or email. I'm just gonna search for some Facebook user. Then we can just select a user. Also, we can allow this person to have full control on this page. We can just enable or disable that feature, and then we can just hit give access. Then it will ask you to enter your Facebook profile password to confirm that this person should have access to manage this page on Facebook. Just enter the password here and then hit confirm. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.